Hey friends, if the Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to remove third-party screenshot software products like Lightshot, like GreenShot, like ShareX. Why? Because they have their own shortcuts for taking screenshots and they will suppress the sniping tool. So if you wish to uninstall these software products, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then wait for it to load and then find the problematic app here. Click on the three dots associated with it, like I have ShareX. Click on uninstall and then uninstall once again. The next solution is to toggle on clipboard history. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on clipboard and turn clipboard history on. The last is to reset the sniping tool. So search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and click on app settings. Scroll down, click on terminate, repair, reset and then reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.